Scattered storms will return back into the area as we get into our Wednesday. It is great to see you on this beautiful looking evening. The stormy weather is going to bring quite a change in our scenery as we go over the next 24 hours. It will include some passing downpours, very warm and extremely muggy weather with dew points and a soar up into the 70s. So take what we have right now. Yes, we have the heat, but the humidity levels are just about ready to crank up. Downtown Toledo, looking at some of that haze that is a moderate impact to some of our air quality across the region. Most of us are in that moderate range, but there are a few areas that are registering unhealthy for sensitive groups, which simply means if you have some asthma or breathing conditions, you could be noticing a little extra strain on that. 89 degrees, southwest winds 5 miles per hour. It does look like we've officially reached 90 degrees. We'll know with the final report that comes out within the next 30 minutes. Upper 80s to near 90 in most areas. If we did it, it would be the 14th 90-degree day so far of the season. We're dry across the area. What we're showing right here, if you look very close to Monroe County, parts of the Toledo Metro, that is actually a lake breeze that is beginning to kick up, so it may be offering a slight cool down towards some of our lakeshore areas. Rest of the evening tonight, I do expect we are going to be dry, some showers and storms that will be back into the area toward daybreak on Wednesday. We'll get a few rounds of some isolated showers. Could get a clap or two of thunder. We're not looking at any strong or severe weather early tomorrow morning. Better chance of any storms. It could put a punch of some gusty winds, or very small hail would be Wednesday afternoon and evening. Here's the clock, 6 p.m. Wednesday. A few of those storms that will dot the area could include some downpours and gusty winds. Not expected to be anything widespread, and we'll repeat that on Thursday. At least the chance of some scattered showers and storms as we do get a front that rolls into the area. 87 the high on Wednesday, but I will tell you this, it may feel muggier and stickier through the afternoon. Scattered storm threats on and off through the day. South winds right around 5 miles per hour. Lake Erie should be calm early in the day. The chance, though, of scattered storms will develop, especially into the afternoon. 87 the high, and the waves will be a foot or less out on Lake Erie. Mid to upper 80s for Wednesday and into Thursday. These are going to be back-to-back days that will have the chance of scattered showers and storms. Look at Friday, though. That is going to be the pick day of the week. Gorgeous weather on Friday. Lower humidity, brighter skies and sunshine as we drop back into the upper 70s. And we'll see dry conditions likely much of Friday night into early Saturday. A few scattered showers and storms. Then it'll be back into the area Saturday afternoon and evening, continuing into Sunday. Those are going to be scattered about through the weekend. Not anything that would wash weekend plans out entirely. Mid to upper 80s continue into early next week, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And our unsettled, or at least frequent rainfall still set to continue what looks to be through the end of July.
Boy, that Friday, Saturday, Sunday, little respite there, and then all of a sudden crank it back up next week.
If you could pick a day, Friday's going to be the day.
Yeah.
We finally get the relief from the humidity, and I think after we experience it tomorrow, the mugginess, and into Thursday, you're going to be begging for the humidity to break, and Friday's going to be your answer.
All right, that's the time to wring out the shirts. Thanks, Chris.